I wanted to talk about, language and how words impact us. I'm a huge proponent of learning to talk to yourself in a positive manner, how to tame your inner judge, if you will, to still be accountable, but to understand that to go negative in your head is kind of often the default, and it doesn't serve you well. I had a client that I was on a call with last week, and as we were getting to know each other and trying to figure out how I could help him, he made this statement a few times that, oh, I have an unsettled mind. And then we would talk about things he's working on and other opportunities here, and he's very successful trying to do this, trying to do that. And he kept saying this unsettled mind. And I said, let's reframe that. Let's change that word and strike it from your vocabulary. And let's insert the word curious. Because a curious mind is awesome. I consider that I have one. I think it's a superpower. It pushes you to ask more questions of other people, so you can be more focused on being interested in hearing from them instead of being focused on you being interesting. And so I saw it kind of connect with him and followed up and everything. And I think it's already having an impact, the way that we think. So it's just those little words that we use in our head. If you find, like, you can't ever say you're stupid in your head. You can't do it. It's bad for you. Right. Don't say it. And so, like, my son, he got scammed on some tennis shoes when he was in high school buying online, and I saw it, and he's like, oh, I'm so stupid. And I said, no, you're so inexperienced. Yes. That's it. It's a very different thing. And there's enough negativity in the world coming down on your shoulders.
Yeah, you'll get plenty of that.
Yeah.
From externally, you'll get plenty of negativity. I always say, it's a little off topic, but not really. The negative stuff in the world is always going to find its way in. It's just how it works. When bad things are going to happen, they kind of happen. It's the good things that you get to control whether or not you let them in. And you can choose to, like, close the door to all the good opportunities. The bad stuff, the things like, bills that show up or surprise problems, like, you don't get to pick those. But the surprise, like, windfalls, you can say, I'm not going to take advantage of that. I'm not going to do this. Don't cash that check. Like, you can choose not to cash a check. You can't choose not to pay a bill, right?
Yeah.
Don't take the check. It's yours. It's all good.
That's right.
When the good stuff shows up. And the same is true with that internal dialogue. I love your term, the inner judge. It's that's one that I think it means a lot for all of us. Yep. And it's really easy for that inner judge to go negative. It's almost that judge's job. And so you need to tame it. And that inner judge can be really helpful in the right and limited moments, but
keeps you accountable, but
keeps you accountable. Correct.
Yeah. But don't overdo it. And
don't overdo it.
Those words that you put inside your head and that you're thinking of over and over, they impact your actions. They impact your worldview, your view of yourself. And so it takes practice, but strike out that negative stuff and swap out words that have a more positive, feeling towards them. I think you'll enjoy it.
I think you're gonna like it. Me changing from saying that I was busy to saying that I was productive. I like that one change from busy to productive. It has been life changing, and it's simply a word.